blogging in Kenya has grown from a simple hobby into a serious business opportunity. Many young people, professionals, students, and even retirees are now using blogs to share ideas and earn income online. The good thing is that you do not need millions of shillings to start. With the right guidance, patience, and consistency, you can build a blog that earns you money every month. In this guide, you will learn in simple plain English how to start blogging in Kenya and how to turn it into a real source of income. Let us begin by understanding what blogging really means. A blog is a website where you write and publish articles on a specific topic. These articles can be about business, farming, technology, health, travel, education, relationships, or any other topic that people are interested in. When people search on Google and find your article helpful, they visit your website. As more people visit your blog, you can earn money through different methods such as advertisements, affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, and selling your own products or services. The first step in starting a successful blog in Kenya is choosing the right niche. A niche is the main topic your blog will focus on. This is very important because it determines your audience and how you will make money. For example, if you choose personal finance, you can write about saving money, investing, loans, and budgeting in Kenya. If you choose agriculture, you can write about profitable crops, poultry farming, dairy farming, and modern farming methods. If you choose technology, you can review smartphones, laptops, and online tools. When choosing a niche, think about 3 things. First, what do you enjoy talking about? Second, what do you know well or are willing to learn deeply? Third, are people searching for information about that topic? If you choose a topic that people are actively searching for, you have a better chance of getting traffic from Google. Traffic means visitors coming to your website. After choosing your niche, the next step is to get a domain name. A domain name is the address of your website. For example, it can be something like yourname.co.ke or yourbrand.com. In Kenya, a .co.ke domain is very popular and helps you target local audiences. A domain name usually costs between 1,000 Kenyan shillings and 1,500 Kenyan shillings per year. This is a small investment for something that can become a serious business. Next, you need web hosting. Hosting is where your website files are stored so that people can access them online. Think of hosting as renting space on the internet. In Kenya, basic shared hosting can cost between 3,000 Kenyan shillings and 6,000 Kenyan shillings per year. Many hosting companies allow you to pay yearly. When you are just starting, shared hosting is enough. Once you have domain and hosting, you need to install a blogging platform. The most popular platform in the world is WordPress. WordPress is free to use, and most hosting companies provide one-click installation. This means you do not need to know coding. Within a few minutes, your website can be live. After installing WordPress, you choose a theme. A theme controls how your website looks. Choose a simple and clean theme. Avoid themes that are too heavy or complicated because they can slow down your website. Speed is important because people do not like slow websites. Also, Google ranks faster websites better than slow ones. Now that your website is ready, the next important step is creating content. Content is the heart of blogging. Without good content, you cannot attract readers or make money. Your articles should be helpful, detailed, and easy to understand. Write in simple English. Solve real problems. For example, if your blog is about business in Kenya, you can write about how to start a grocery shop with 50,000 Kenyan shillings, or how to start poultry farming with 100,000 Kenyan shillings. When writing, focus on quality more than quantity. It is better to publish 1 very detailed article per week than to publish 5 short and useless articles. Each article should answer questions clearly. If someone searches for how to start a small bakery business in Kenya, your article should explain the costs, equipment needed, licenses required, expected profits, and challenges. Search engine optimization, also called SEO, is very important in blogging. SEO means writing and structuring your content in a way that helps Google understand it. When Google understands your article, it can rank it higher in search results. This brings more traffic. To improve SEO, use clear titles, short paragraphs, and relevant keywords. A keyword is the phrase people type into Google. For example, profitable businesses in Kenya is a keyword. Another important factor is consistency. Blogging is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time. In the first 3 months, you may not see much traffic. Between 6 months and 1 year, you may start seeing steady visitors if you publish regularly. After 1 year of consistent work, your blog can start generating serious income. Let us now talk about how to make money from blogging in Kenya. One of the most common methods is display advertising. You can apply for advertising programs like Google AdSense. Once approved, ads will appear on your website. When people view or click on the ads, you earn money. Earnings depend on traffic. A blog with 10,000 monthly visitors may earn between 10,000 Kenyan shillings and 30,000 Kenyan shillings per month. A blog with higher traffic can earn much more. The second method is affiliate marketing. This means promoting other people's products and earning a commission. For example, you can promote products from online stores and earn a percentage of each sale. If you are in the technology niche, you can review smartphones and include affiliate links. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Affiliate marketing can become very profitable when you build trust with your audience. The third method is sponsored posts. Companies pay bloggers to write about their products or services. If your blog becomes popular in a specific niche, brands may contact you. A single sponsored article can pay between 5,000 Kenyan shillings and 50,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on your traffic and influence. You can also make money by selling your own products. For example, if you are knowledgeable in farming, you can create an ebook about poultry farming in Kenya and sell it for 1,000 Kenyan shillings. If you sell 100 copies, you make 100,000 Kenyan shillings. You can also sell online courses, offer consulting services, or provide coaching. Email marketing is another powerful strategy. You can collect email addresses from your readers and send them updates. An email list helps you build a direct relationship with your audience. Even if social media changes or Google updates its algorithm, you still have direct access to your readers through email. Many people ask how much money they can realistically make from blogging in Kenya. The truth is that income varies. In the first year, you might earn little or nothing as you build traffic. In the second year, you might start earning between 20,000 Kenyan shillings and 50,000 Kenyan shillings per month if you are consistent. After 2 to 3 years of serious work, some bloggers earn over 100,000 Kenyan shillings per month. However, this requires dedication, patience, and smart strategy. It is also important to treat blogging like a business. Track your expenses and income. Reinvest part of your earnings into better hosting, premium tools, and marketing. Keep learning about SEO, content marketing, and digital trends. The online world keeps changing, so you must adapt. Avoid common mistakes. Do not copy content from other websites. Google can detect copied content and may penalize your website. Do not expect instant results. Do not quit after 3 months. Many bloggers fail because they stop too early. Success in blogging is about long-term consistency. Time management is also important. If you are employed, you can start blogging part-time. Dedicate 2 hours in the evening or during weekends. Write and schedule your posts in advance. As your income grows, you can decide whether to continue part-time or go full-time. Networking with other bloggers can also help. Join blogging communities, share ideas, and learn from others. Collaboration can bring more traffic and opportunities. Blogging in Kenya is not limited to people in big cities. Whether you are in Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret, or a small town, you can run a successful blog. All you need is internet connection, basic computer skills, and determination. In conclusion, starting a blog in Kenya is affordable and possible for anyone willing to learn and work hard. With a domain costing around 1,000 Kenyan shillings per year and hosting costing around 5,000 Kenyan shillings per year, you can start with less than 10,000 Kenyan shillings. From there, your main investment is time and effort. Choose the right niche, create valuable content, learn SEO, promote your blog, and monetize wisely. If you stay consistent for 1 year, 2 years, or even 3 years, blogging can grow from a simple online activity into a powerful income-generating asset that changes your financial future.